Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I got this package in the mail from a guy named David. He got in touch with me and he wanted to send me this to try out. This is like a set of backpack connectors. So yeah, this is something that he made for like being able to mix and match backpacks on different kits. You can buy these on his eBay store. He has another store as well. I'll put the links for where to buy these down below if you guys are interested. But if you are interested in customizing and don't want to build your own connection pieces, he made these, so I'm going to check these out and see what we can find here. So in here there is a user guide, so this is pretty helpful. It looks like it has basically a rail, and then you have these all these different bits that you can slide into the rail for wherever they're gonna go for connecting onto the backpack. So that seems pretty convenient. So here these are just molded in just clear resin, I want to say, but yeah, it looks like probably resin. Okay, this other one is actually the same thing. I think he mentioned that he was gonna send a couple. But I'll just use one. I'll try this out and show you guys how this works here on this video. But I think one will probably be okay for me. The second one, how about I just give this away to you guys? So if you like this and you think this could be useful for you, leave a comment down below and let me know your idea. So in your comment, maybe just explain the custom idea that you have, and then just a few days after this video, I'll choose a random winner and then send this to you. So anyway, let's check out what we've got here and let's try this on a few kits. Alright, so here's a few things that I'm going to try this out on now. Obviously this, we do have a lot of different connectors included with this, but it's not everything. There's a lot of different kits out there. Again, these are also made for mostly HG 1/44 scale kits, so of course there's a lot of HG kits in different styles. There's HGUC and HG00 and Seed and Build Fighters and Ironblood Orphans all have a lot of different kits. And so there's a lot of different connections, and so these will work for a lot of things, but of course not everything. Some of these are quite specific for a few different models, one of them being like quite specific for the HG Unicorn, so that's why I have the full armor set there. But let's first take a look here at the Shinanju, which is quite dusty though, so excuse the dust on this model. So the Shinanju here, pretty simple, just one single peg there. What I'm going to do is switch the backpack with the Shinanju and the Gyansalat here. The Gyansalat is a 2-peg connection, so just naturally by itself it wouldn't fit. We're going to have to use this helpful tool here. So we've got 2 of these small little 3mm connections, and before we do anything, let's just test it out to see how well this fits on there. And it fits a little bit loosely, which is not a big deal. A little bit loose is okay once you get some paint on there, or you can do some whatever else you want to put on there to make sure that is going to stay on there well. So we can just slide this onto our rail here, and then we do have a second one as well, so we need to just kind of get those to where they're going to fit on here correctly, like that. There you go. And then for the Shinanju backpack here, we have a 3mm female version. So we can just slide this onto the opposite side here, line that up to the center, and then it should hold into place like that. So like I said, it's a little bit loose, we'll have to tighten that up a little bit, but as you can see, it does work pretty well. So now that we've got the Shinanju backpack on the Gyansalat, let's do the other way around. We do have 2 rails in the set, so you can't actually combine the rails together. This guy's really back heavy now, it's not going to want to stand up. But yeah, you can't actually combine the 2 rails on top of each other, so like if the backpacks don't quite line up how you want it to be, if like you want one to be a little bit higher, a little bit lower, just by how they line up, you can connect the 2 parts together. I'm also noticing that I only have 2 of these 3mm female parts, so one is on the Gyan now, so I only have one in this case. I'm just going to try it with just using one, just for the sake of just being able to show you guys both of these at once. Otherwise you would need 2 of this set to be able to do this, but I'm just going to try this, and that should work just well enough, at least for demonstration's sake. Now, because of the way that these backpacks are designed, you're going to create a big gap in there, and that's one thing that I don't really like about backpack adapters like this, and other ones that have been available from Bandai as well in different sets. The backpack adapters make a big gap between the mobile suit and the backpack in many cases, so that's why usually I prefer to just modify it. But if you can't modify it, just if you're just not really up to that skill or experience yet. Then this does work from the front, so you don't really notice that, of course. You're just going to see that cool backpack in the back, which you can't really see all that well either, but you can see the kind of effect parts hanging there. So there you go. There's just a quick example of one little combination swap that you could do with these parts. But now I want to try putting that full armor unicorn backpack onto the lightning black warrior there. So let me take this apart here, and voila, there you go. With just a little bit of reworking that connection, you can connect this onto the back, and this one as well has a little bit of a gap there, but again, from the front it's really not all that noticeable. Also, I had to put this up on a stand because the red warrior here, the black warrior I should say, it's not quite as tall as the unicorn Gundam, so just standing up, the stands for the fuel tanks don't really work. And then as you can see in this case too, they're not really completely flat, so you'll have to do something whatever about that. But anyway, I don't think these are meant to be like an end-all be-all perfect solution for everything. Like I said, it's just a customizing tool if you're interested in doing this rather than doing any sort of complicated modding or anything. I think for a lot of this, like combining HG backpacks, it's probably not the most complicated modifications in the world. And even with these, as you see, some of the connections are a little bit loose. You will have to do some gluing or just something to fix up the joints a little bit so that everything will fit nice and tightly. But I know there's a lot of folks out there who are still pretty new to the hobby, but they are interested in getting into customizing, so this could be a helpful tool that you may be interested in checking out. So thank you again to David for sending these to me, and again, I'll be giving away a set, so leave your idea down in the comment section below, and I'll choose a winner here in a few days after posting this video. If you do want a set and by chance you don't end up winning a free one from me, then you can of course check the links down below and buy one there for yourself. So that's all for today, guys. Hopefully that was helpful or interesting. Let me know down below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.